As a global MRO player, we are not immune to this unprecedented crisis of COVID-19, but we have gone over and beyond to ensure that we continue to do what we do best. So we have proactively implemented a series of drastic measures to, number one, protect our people, protect the operation.
Social distancing has been introduced at every workstation. Our teams are equipped with appropriate PPE, and we are carrying out continuous disinfection exercises in the hangar and on the aircraft. We have also introduced a new shift pattern at work, and our planning teams have looked at how they allocate tasks to ensure social distancing is possible within the aircraft check.
We have adapted our operations to make sure that work continues, while all our engineers, technicians, and anyone working in the hangar floor remain safe from any possible contagion.